There's just the one 10mm nut and bolt that's holding the whole lever in. So get two spanners and unscrew it. Apply some grease to this bolt. I bought these levers for $40 off AliExpress. They are actually a little heavier, but I think they look a little nicer and they are adjustable. Now, because the levers on a Super Soco TC Max are both brake levers, it's basically exactly the same thing again on the other side. That's it. A very simple and easy modification to the TC Max, and I think it makes it look just that little bit nicer.